yourself from this thing.
You know, I'd like to share one anecdote, because I was sitting down with some of the big fund managers at the country's largest mutual fund house recently, SBI. So the one anecdote that they shared was that beyond the headline number, 17,000 crores SIP, 18,000 crores SIP, there's a lot of lump sum redemption that's also happening. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that's a sign of some maturity. Thoda log profit bhi saath mein book kar rahe hain. But where do you see the euphoria the biggest, or where do you feel ki yahan pe this is a red flag? In which part of the market, or which sector of the market?
I'm not worried about this 17,000 crore. This 17,000 crore is coming in SIP, right?
Yeah.
So that is managed by a experienced manager.
Yes.
Okay, it's 70,000 crore is going to go up to 50,000 crore, maybe 1 lakh crore a month. A time will come, maybe 3-4 years from now. So this ultimately this will keep on rising. I'm not worried about it. I'm worried about the people who are coming to invest directly into this market.
Traders.
Right. The newcomer, the first timer was coming into this market without any knowledge. Just they want to gamble only. They don't want to understand what is happening where. They just want to gamble. Ki abhi le lo, kal bech dega, subah le lo, raat ko
So basically, it's the new F&O trader, inexperienced F&O trader that you're worried about.
Yes, yes.
Not particularly, a sector or a certain market cap. ऐसा नहीं है कि,
उसमें भी है साथ में. ऐसा भी होता है उसमें. Because ultimately it will affect the,
some sector
your ecosystem also. So there are froth in some sectors, but that is okay. What I am more worried about is all these millions of people coming to the market to trade daily. When they will lose money, that will create the sentiment so gloomy in the market for maybe for 2 months, 3 months, for 6 months. I am worried about that thing.
It's important to just have a